Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of engineering, the Ferrari Motorhome. From the first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome stands out with a sleek, aerodynamic design that's unmistakably Ferrari. The body is crafted with lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring both performance and style. It's not just about looks. This motorhome is built to turn heads, from its sharp curves to its distinctive Ferrari grille. Stepping inside the Ferrari Motorhome, you're immediately struck by the blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The living room boasts plush leather seating designed for both comfort and durability, while large windows offer a panoramic view that brings the outdoors inside. Adjustable ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, whether you're winding down or gearing up for adventure. The bedroom is a sanctuary with a spacious, well-lit design, featuring a high-end mattress and fine linens for a luxury hotel feel on the road. The Ferrari Motorhome doesn't disappoint when it comes to performance. With a powerful engine under the hood, it effortlessly handles both mountain roads and highways. So there you have it, the Ferrari Motorhome. From its striking exterior to its luxurious interior, incredible performance, and top-notch features, it's a vehicle designed for those who want to live in style while on the road. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.